Hi, and welcome to the block pillow organizer extravaganza. The block pillows, the main benefit of them is that the centre is made of these movable blocks. So as you're making long pieces of lace, you just simply keep going, taking one off the top, putting it at the bottom, pushing it forward. On my pillow at the moment I have a round disc. This is handy for making little motifs. But just imagine that it's a square one for the purpose of this video. I'm making this sampler piece, but I want to use this pillow for something else. So this is what I do. I've made myself these little fabric boxes. They can be anything. And I very simply lift my block out. The bobbins are all secured. They're all safe. Put my block in my little basket, tuck the pins in with a little bit of cloth to protect them, and then simply fold the bobbins over. That is now put away. My pillow comes back, I pop another block in, start another piece, and if I want to swap back, do the same thing on this with another little basket, or a bowl, or a Tupperware tub, anything you like. Main thing is that that is a little secure project. It will simply stay like that until fold them back out. However you secure them, I use rulers and hat elastic. Unwrap it, pop it back in. Right, and off we go again.